Nagluko ka lang dyan. Basta mag-exam ka lang.
Hindi pwede maglolo.
Alright. One, you try to emphasize the block. Be careful that in blocking, you try to keep your elbow because you will be hit. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, this is number 1.
I don't want speed. Only slow but correct. Alright, one more time.
Technique.
1, 2, 3, and 4. That's number 1. Number 2, you block. Alright. In blocking, you check again. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. This one, no. It's wrong. So you try to block this way. 1. Then slowly make a circle. This is what happened. Then down, fall backward, through, and strike. Itapon nyo.
Number 2.
Number 2, this is number 2. You block, circle, alright, through the kin. And strike. Number 3. Number 3. You block again. Alright. Doesn't matter if outside or inside. And then pull it back. This arm, strike. Okay?
Inside. What's inside?
Alright, here. Inside.
Okay.
This is
Outside.
outside. As long as you catch the rest. Not this one, this is the wrong one. Itong mali. Hindi mo makuha yan. Kailangan palaging.
Ano yung inside, master?
Ito, slide. Ito. Itong elbow mo, itong naano kagad, aabot to. Kasi hindi na siya makano.
Oh, yung outside.
Yung outside, dito ka.
Okay.
Basta paggawa mo ng ganon, hugot lang. Para kung kumasa siya, kung mag-counter siya na, i-counter mo ako, anong counter?
So,
Ngayon, dito lang ako. Pag kinounter niyan, pasundan ko.
So either
Inside or outside.
Okay lang yun.
That's number 3. Pero wag, this is the wrong one again. This is the wrong one. Very big. Just slow. Just small circle only this way. Alright. Then this are that way. Number 4. You block, alright, hold this. Block, hold, and then. So you cannot see the, not too high again. Kasi itulak ka lang, dito mangyari. Maliit lang siya. Right, hold. Okay. Then kung gagawin mo sa akin, number 4 gawin sa, you see, I could make this way. Yan ang counter natin. So, number 4, no, just counter lang. 4. Black hold. Huwag masyado mataas. Just hold. Yeah. Then pull it back and strike. No. Alright, look. Hold. Alright, hindi mo na makita to. You cannot see this one. May pictus lang, pictus.